So what is that saying right now?
It's a storm.
What is it saying?
It's saying there's a storm.
We are going to visit our best friend Jessica in San Francisco. And we were going last year.
Yes,
something
last
came up.
year.
You didn't want to go anymore or something like that.
No, you got your dental stuff.
No,
the night before.
No.
When?
Last week.
No way.
That would have been really bad.
I just forgot.
Good morning. Good morning. Oh, so cute. Good morning. Listen to me. Come here. Good morning, my baby.
I am Jay.
Afterwards, we walked by and he was showing me where his apartment's gonna be at. And he was like, I don't know why he told me, but
Good boy.
Moose! He doesn't.
Okay, let's go potty.
Oh, you can do it first.
Sutro Tower is this one right here. Oh no, right here. Right here. It's literally like it's literally the same hill. It's just like 1, 2. So
Made it.
Finally. Eres un hermoso.
calmado, okay? Calmado.
God, good boy, Moose. Wow. Amazing.
Yeah, I know. I was gonna put it so that we can move.
There's like white all around us. That's so cool.
The bridge is honestly prettier going from Oakland to San Francisco than going San Francisco to Oakland.
You're gonna be a good boy, Angie.
Boy, okay?
Your hair looks so good.
It does?
Oh my god.
No! It's nice and cozy in here.
Already in bed. It's nap time.
I need some direction.
I can't direct. I can take pictures.
Oh yes, that's good if it's crossing your feet.
Oh, that looks good. That looks super good. I think I'm too tall for
Okay,
sand.
turn around.
First of all.
First of all.
Oh, like this?
Yeah, like that.
Oh, that's cute.
Stories. Oh, short stories. You know what book I did read? That I finished reading.
Wow!
Oh shit, it starts way higher.
My friend lives right here.
What? No way?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
It's her family's house.
Oh,
Her parents are both doctors.
oh my god, well, no wonder.
Yeah.
Wow.
Oh my god, delicious.
Yeah.
Yeah, better than the freaking chowder house.
Oh, it looks so nice with tattoo on. Say hi.